welcome to my channel and welcome to the 10-year anniversary for CraftyCity.com. I'm so excited to be a part of this celebration, and this YouTube hop is going to be tons of fun. So Archana Joshi is the owner of Crafty City, and I will put a link to her website or to her online store in the description box below. But I actually discovered Crafty City on Facebook, and I was searching for some of those hard to find paper brands that I've been seeing on YouTube and social media. And I was looking to find a place to shop for those without, spending an arm and a leg for international shipping. And I'm not really sure how it happened, but I came across Crafty City, and I got to tell you, wow. I mean, just so wonderful of an opportunity for me to get my hands on some of these paper brands like Stamperia, like you see here, and Minte, and uh, Lemoncraft, and P13, and Peon Designs, Maja Designs, Scrap Boys, Scrap and Me, Ciao Bella. Oh my gosh, I know there's more. And then also she has some of the well-known brands that we see in the United States quite a bit, Graphic 45 and Prima Marketing. And so she sells all of these things, plus she sells embellishments to go with the papers. And so just, it's a wonderful, wonderful shop. And I got to tell you, I've never met Archana, but just my experiences with shopping from her, I can tell that she is one of the most sweetest people that you'll ever meet. She is just so sweet and so extraordinarily talented. Some of the projects that she has made are just absolutely jaw-dropping. And so anyway, but you'll see that if you check out her YouTube channel, which is also linked below. She is also part of the lineup for this fun YouTube hop. So the hop is starting today, March 24th, 2022, and goes through April 30th, 2022. And today we are all going to be revealing our product kits. We each have a certain product kit to show you. And throughout the month of April, we will be revealing our project designs with you. And so also Archana is giving away a discount code so that you can get all of these products at a 10% discount. So my code is K10, that's KAY10, and you can link to that in the description box below and go to her shop and order all the things that you want at 10%. So if when you do that and get your kits, then you can follow all the tutorials throughout the month, and by the end of April, you'll have a bunch of gorgeous projects. So this is going to be a lot of fun, and I'm excited to participate. I'm anxious to see what the other designers have, what their products are, and what projects they're going to make, because I don't know. So this will be really fun. Also, there are prizes to be given away. I know Archana is giving away 3 product kits. I don't know which ones they are, but there's 3 being given away. So you have to make sure to win any prizes that you like, subscribe, and comment on each YouTube channel. That's really important that you comment as well as just subscribe. So after you've watched all the videos, then you go back to Archana's YouTube video, and in the comments put the words "enter me," and I'll have that on the screen so you're not confused, because I know on my voice I sometimes mumble a bit. But anyway, so if you put the words "enter me" in her comments, then you're eligible to win one of those 3 product kits. So very exciting. I'm also going to be giving away a prize from my channel. I just thought it would be fun since we're having this celebration to give a prize away. So keep watching, and I'll tell you all about it in just a minute. But first I want to show you the beautiful products that I have in my kit. So I was given this journal paper from Stamperia. It's part of their romantic collection, and it's very vintage, very shabby, full of all eclectic things that you'd find in a junk journal. And that's kind of the theme of the paper, obviously. And also, I was given this package of Prima flowers, which I've opened up. And these delicate pastels, the mints and the pinks, coordinate with some of the papers in the collection. Then I was given this beautiful seam binding, these floral leaves, which I've taken one out of the package and scrunched it up so you can see just how pretty and shabby that will be. And then these darling chipboard pieces, and there's a set of 4, and they look like little grandfather clocks. So that is my kit, and I'm going to go ahead and flip through the papers. And oh, did I tell you about the stencil? This stencil came with the flower kit, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I can't remember if I told you that. Okay, so the papers, like I said, are just so vintage, shabby, you know, eclectic things you'd find in a junk journal. And I love these word strips that you can cut out from the front cover. And then all these gorgeous, gorgeous pages. Some are very neutral, like this one. And then some have a lot of those mints and pinks in it. Like this one looks like maybe some torn up wallpaper or something like that, or wrapping paper. And then you've got the ink or the ink splotches, as well as the maybe tea or coffee dyed splotches. So it's just so fun. And so to enter to be eligible for the prize I'm giving away, what I would like you to do, because I don't know yet, I just got this pack yesterday and I haven't decided yet, what project would you make with this collection pack? Would you, I actually don't want to give suggestions because I don't want to influence your suggestions. So what would you make with this paper? And if you leave that answer to the question in the comments below, then you will be eligible to win a prize from me. Isn't this gorgeous? All these fussy cut paper or fussy cut elements. I can't wait to start pulling those apart. So yeah, so the prize that I'm giving away is, well, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm almost 95% sure it's going to be the project that I make with this. So it'll be a surprise. And my project reveal isn't until the end of April, so I will not be revealing the winner until then. So you have a while to comment and decide what you would make with this collection. And so the former eligibility requirements apply, but for this, because I am giving the project away, I'm going to have to limit to U.S. residents only, or if you have a P.O. box in the United States or something like that, then I will ship to you, but I'm going to have to limit it to that. But anyway, so don't forget the discount. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the discount goes until Mother's Day. So you have until Mother's Day to take advantage of the 10%. Okay, so don't wait though, because I mean, yeah, I don't know if you'd want to wait, because after this hop, those product kits might go really fast. So don't wait too long. And then yeah, and then make sure that you hit that notification bell on everybody's channels so that as soon as their projects are revealed, you won't miss it. Because if you're like me, you have I follow a lot of people on YouTube, but if I don't hit that notification bell, I don't always see it right away. So you don't want to miss it. And I don't know if anyone else is doing a prize giveaway, so you just never know. So you need to watch all the channels and find out. So anyway, so good luck with winning the prizes, and thank you so much for joining us in the celebration and participating in the hop. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and those of you who are familiar with Crafty City, you probably know how wonderful it is, and you can leave that in the comments as well. And anyway, so thank you for participating and watching. And again, I want to congratulate Archana on her 10-year anniversary. So congratulations, and catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.